Welcome to our guide on porting out of Spectrum Mobile. Want to switch carriers, but keep your number? That's exactly what porting out means. This video focuses on porting out of Spectrum Mobile, where we'll guide you through getting your transfer PIN and moving your number to a new provider, ensuring you don't lose your digits in the process. This is your right mandated by the FCC. Before contacting Spectrum to port out your number, you need to gather some important information and ensure your account is ready. You'll need your Spectrum account number, which you can find on your bill or account statement. Your billing zip code is also on your Spectrum bill or invoice. For the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, have your Social Security card or the number ready for verification. Finally, make sure your Spectrum account is in good standing with no unpaid bills, as outstanding balances can prevent the porting process from starting. Now it's time to get your transfer PIN. You can request this through the Spectrum mobile app, their website at spectrum.com/portout, or by calling 1-833-267-6094. This PIN is essential for your new carrier to initiate the number transfer. The PIN is valid for 30 days, so be ready to use it. For security reasons, Spectrum may require ID verification to prevent fraud. This could involve uploading a photo of your ID or, in rare cases, visiting a store in person. Once your identity is verified, the PIN will be sent to you via text message, email, or through the Spectrum mobile app. Expect this process to take 24 to 48 hours after verification is complete. Now that you have your transfer PIN from Spectrum, it's time to contact your new mobile carrier. Popular options include Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. You'll need to provide the PIN along with your account details to initiate the porting process. Start by reaching out to your chosen carrier through their website, app, or customer service. Have your transfer PIN ready, as well as key account information from your Spectrum service. When you contact them, provide the transfer PIN and your Spectrum account details, including your full name, billing address, account number, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. The new carrier will use this information to complete the port on their end. Once you've submitted the information, your new carrier will handle the rest of the porting process. This typically takes 1 to 2 business days, but delays can occur if there's any inaccuracy in the details provided. To prevent any delays, double-check that all the information you provide is accurate and matches exactly what Spectrum has on file. This ensures a smooth transition to your new service. Now we reach step 5 of the porting process. The porting typically takes 1 to 2 business days, though delays up to 10 to 14 days can occur due to security reviews. During this time, your Spectrum mobile service will continue working normally. Once the port is complete and confirmed by your new carrier, your Spectrum service will be automatically deactivated. There are no fees from Spectrum for this process, although your new carrier may charge a small port fee. If the port fails for any reason, contact your new carrier immediately or reach out to the FCC for assistance. Delays in porting out can happen for several reasons. Common causes include fraud checks by Spectrum, which can take up to 10 to 14 days, incorrect information provided during the request, or account issues like unpaid balances or promotional plan restrictions. Fraudulent port-out attempts are increasing, with a 40% rise reported in 2025. To protect your account, ensure 2-factor authentication is enabled on your Spectrum account via the app or website. This adds an extra layer of security during PIN requests and verification. If your port is delayed, contact both Spectrum customer service at 1-833-267-6094 and your new carrier to investigate the issue. Provide your account details and PIN request status. For complex cases, the FCC can mediate through their consumer complaint process. Looking ahead, the future of number porting is shaped by emerging technologies that promise faster, more secure processes. First, eSIM technology revolutionizes porting by eliminating physical SIM cards. Instead of swapping chips, carriers can reprogram your device digitally, making switches nearly instantaneous. Spectrum began piloting eSIM in select markets in 2025, and industry experts predict full adoption by 2027, potentially cutting porting times from days to minutes. Second, AI-driven fraud detection is becoming crucial as port-out scams have surged. With a 300% increase in fraud cases from 2022 to 2024, carriers like Spectrum are implementing AI systems that use biometric verification and pattern analysis to spot suspicious requests. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency reported a 40% rise in attempts in 2025, but experts believe AI countermeasures could reduce this by half by 2027, making porting safer. Third, blockchain-based verification holds promise for near-instant porting by 2030. By using decentralized ledgers for secure number ownership records, carriers can verify ports instantly without intermediaries. The FCC has pilot programs exploring this technology to address fraud and improve carrier interoperability, potentially transforming the porting landscape. These trends, eSIM technology, AI fraud detection, and blockchain verification, are set to make number porting faster, more secure, and user-friendly. Stay informed about these advancements to ensure a smoother experience when switching carriers in the future.